Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template in just 5 minutes. So tag along and watch the video till end, but first be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more amazing videos and content like this. So let's begin. So the first thing you're gonna do is open a blank slide with no contents on it, go to Insert tab and Shapes and insert rectangle. And you're going to change its size and be sure to use the same size. And what you're going to do next is rotate it like this and remove this outline and be sure to use the same height and same length. Let's increase its size. Move it downwards right here and duplicate it and place it right here. The shortcut key for duplicating is Ctrl plus D for laptop or desktop. The next thing you're gonna do is again duplicate it and place that one upwards. Increase its size. Here you go. Duplicate it again and place this one right here. Be sure to align them as I have done or the result won't come out to be the same. Here you go. The next thing you're gonna do is place one of them right here and duplicate one again and place it downwards right here and decrease its size to about 4 centimeter of length and height and width. You're gonna make some space for here it right here between this one, and the next thing you're gonna do is go to shape fill and no fill, and you're gonna go to outline and give it an outline. Choose whatever color you want. Right now I'm gonna choose this one, so increase its pt to 3 centimeter. Select these three and go to merge and unite them. Go to fill and picture a texture fill and insert an image that you want to use. For now, let me just look for an image that perfectly suits this uh, template. So I want to take a vibrant image with high resolution and this picture isn't really nice, so let me just change it again. Now I want some picture with buildings in it and a vibrant color and atmosphere and a high resolution image. So this picture will be just right. We're going to crop and we're going to adjust the size of the image right like this. Here you go. Now the next thing you're going to do is close the format picture tab and you're going to just move this right here. The next thing you're going to do is go to format picture. And from here, you're going to insert another image and crop it. Because I want to change the image, but this image doesn't look right as well. So let me just go back to the image that I previously had. Close the format picture panel and the next thing you're going to do is select this rectangle with outline and you're going to change its outline color as same as the image by using eyedropper. Select these three and change their color to the same color as well. The next thing I'm gonna do is copy the text from previous slide and I'm gonna paste it right here. Let's increase its size because I want it to look more clear and bold to the person that is viewing my template. Let's make it clear and here you go. For the text, select it and change its color to the same as the color of the picture. And you're gonna go to shapes and you're gonna insert a rectangle this long and this wide. And what you're gonna do is go and remove this outline and duplicate it about 3 times. Here you go. This is how it looks. You're gonna make it as a logo for the progress graph, something that is real common in businesses and companies. So let's change this color to the same color as your picture color. Select all of this and Press Ctrl plus G to group it all, and you're going to align it into the center of the template. So that's all for today in this video, and if you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description, and it's completely for free. You can check out my Patreon link to get more amazing free content and templates like these. And you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me for more amazing content. See you soon.